Hey there, how's it going?
Not too bad, just the usual grind, you know?
Yeah, I hear you. Speaking of which, I've been meaning to tell you about this new project I've been working on.
Oh really? What's it about?
Well, it's this online business I started a while back. It's been doing really well for me lately.
That's awesome. I've been thinking about starting something myself, but I just don't know where to begin.
I totally get that. It can be overwhelming at first. But trust me, if I can do it, so can you.
Do you think you could give me some pointers? Maybe even help me get started?
Of course. I'd be happy to help you out.
That would be amazing. Thank you so much.
Alright, so let's talk about your business idea. What are you thinking?
Well, I've always been interested in photography, so I was thinking maybe I could start a photography business.
That's a great idea. Photography can be really lucrative if you know how to market yourself.
Yeah, that's the thing though, I have no idea how to do that.
Don't worry, I'll teach you everything you need to know. Let's start with creating a portfolio and setting up a website.
Wow, I never would have thought of half of this stuff on my own. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. I'm just happy to see you following your passion and chasing your dreams.
Now, I got many ideas from you. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I can't believe how far I've come since we first talked about this. None of it would have been possible without you.
Hey, don't sell yourself short. You did all the hard work. I was just here to lend a helping hand.
Well, I couldn't have done it without your guidance and support. You're the best friend anyone could ask for.